Hello, I'm going to show you how to take your G1 apart so that you can replace the keyboard. First thing you want to do is shut down and take the battery out and take your SIM card out. And then what you want to do is take the 5 screws that are there out. These are done with the hex wrench. I'm hoping to be able to do this in under 10 minutes because YouTube has a 10-minute video limit. So I will set these screws aside. Make sure to put these screws in a pattern so that you know which ones go where, because they are not all the same. 4 of these are the same and 1 is different on the outside. You'll need the other hex wrench for the 5th one. Now normally this screw has a void sticker on it, so you remove the void sticker and then take the screw out. Okay, now you want to use pressure points to take, you want to just sort of pinch this apart. It snaps out, but you want to be careful not to break anything. So you can try using these wedges. Try to get under there. Just kind of wiggle it a little bit. It's a little tricky, and you want to be careful. There we go. The top part of the phone will come out easier first. It just sort of snaps out. And then the bottom one is the tricky one. You just sort of wiggle it back and forth like this and it'll come out. Now on the inside you will see several screws. I just take them all out. So grab your screwdriver. You can grab the one that came with the kit if you bought the kit that comes with tools, or use your own from home. Now this wire here, you just pop that out and it'll pop right back in. And you'll find 2 screws here to take out. There's another screw here. And there is a screw at the bottom. And my phone, the cover on this USB headphone part broke off a long time ago, but if you have one, it'll probably fall out at this point, so make sure to put it back in when you put your phone back together. So this plate, this part here is a plate, and if you see that it's got some notches here holding it. Oh, I have one more screw I need to take out. So at this point, this plate can come out. And let's see, sort of lean it forward and grab it like so. Just kind of wiggle it so that it snaps out, and then you can pull it up a little bit, and you'll notice underneath this plate is the keyboard, and it just is there, just hanging there by friction. And you can take the keyboard out and put the other one in. Now this is my black phone, so I already had a black keyboard, so I'm just going to put that back in. And that's all there is to it. And then you got to screw it all back together as it came, and you're good to go. Let's see if I can do that and still have time left on my 10-minute limit. Now when I put the black keyboard in my wife's gray phone, when I put it back together, the period key was stuck down, and so I just opened it up again and reseated the keyboard, and then all was good. Put the screws back in. Make sure you remember where the screws go. There's a bunch of different ones. Oh, this should have been popped underneath this little catch here. I don't know if you can see that. So make sure that's underneath. Well, I'll end the video here because I'm not going to be able to put the whole phone back together in the next minute and still be under 10 minutes for YouTube's 10-minute limit. So hopefully it works for you. If you want to replace this part, you'll have to figure that out because I have not taken the phone that much apart before. And if you do, post your own video and show other people and have a lot of fun. Talk to you later.